She's hardworking. Because every man knows that he is a bundle of work. He might not admit it, but he knows it. Oga is work. Oga is work. He that findeth a wife. Who did you find? You found an ambitious career person. That is her commitment. Her commitment is to build her career. And you are angry. What are you angry? That's what you found. You didn't see the wifely qualities. And you chose. And now you are complaining that she does not have the wifely qualities. You don't know, I like the way you speak boldly. You are the one she will be speaking to boldly tomorrow. No, I like the way you speak up for yourself. You don't take rubbish. Kai, you are my kind of girl. She is nice for a friend, but bad for a wife. I like the way you argue, you state your point, you are firm. Imagining that your team, you are the only lady, yet they cannot subdue you. Kai, my superwoman. Listen to me, you are the only one that will be in the team tomorrow. You chose it. So, but God says, don't choose a financier. Choose a wife. If the package comes with financial backing, good. But look for a wife. You went and chose a beauty queen. Her makeup regimen is number one. That is what you kept praising. When you wear down your high heels, I'm finished. No problem. You will buy all the heels. You will pay for the heels. You will buy the heels. That's what you chose. Kai. Every time you come out on point, head to toe, Oga, you will pay the bills. You will. Because she too has an idea of who a good husband should be. And number one is provider. There is no argument about those qualities. Provider. Are you crippled? Take care of yourself. I take care of myself. You don't understand. I came here with an expectation. Came here with an expectation. You are the provider, period. Now, if financial generosity comes along with the being a wife, glory. Glory. So all of us need to go first and find out, what does a good wife look like? Now let's stop all this. Let's even go and find out. Come, I didn't even know what a good wife looks like, and I chose one. Let me go and find out. So that out of the 9 qualities, I can say, okay, my own has 3. Let's believe God for the remaining 6. People are just not interested in marital knowledge. They are just not interested. They are nonchalant about it. Nonchalant about it. Couples communion. Couples stay away. They don't show up. Let's have a relationship for singles. Those that are closest to marriage, stay away.